Good morning, students. As we have started the fourth chapter, which is basic geometrical ideas, we have covered the first exercise, which included points, line segment, line, intersecting line, and all. Today we will study the second exercise, which covers second and third exercise, which covers curves, polygon, and angles. So, what is a curve? A curve is a continuous and smooth flowing line without any sharp turns. One way to recognize a curve is that it bends and changes its direction at least once. So here are the examples of curve. You can see these are not straight lines. They are slightly bent. So these are the examples of curve. So what are the types of curve? The first one is upward curve. A curve that turns in the upward direction is called an upward curve. It is also known as concave curve upward. Concave upward also called or convex downward. The second one is downward curve. A curve that turns in the downward direction is called a downward curve. It is also known as concave downward. Concave downward also called or convex upward. This is the example of downward curve. Third type of curve is open curve. An open curve does not enclose any area within itself and it has two endpoints. Some of the open curves are given in the figure below. You can see how the open curve are created. And the fourth type of curve is closed curve. A closed curve has no endpoints and encloses an area or a region. It is formed by joining the endpoints of an open curve together. Circles, ellipses are formed from closed curve. So you can see what are the examples of closed curve. So it have no starting point or end points. It is clearly visible that it is a closed figure. Now, what is a simple curve? A simple curve changes direction but does not cross itself while changing direction. A simple curve can be open and closed both. This is the example of simple curves. What is a non-simple curve? A curve that crosses its own path is called a non-simple curve. This is the example of not simple curve. So, we have discussed what is a curve, types of curve. So in types of curve we have studied upward curve, then downward curve, then open curve and closed curve. So these are the examples of all types of curves. So curves around us, racetrack. A race that track from the figure looks like a closed curve. Roads on hills and mountains are curvy. Real life examples. So some fun facts. A curve is made up of many small line segments joined from end to end. If you look at a curve very closely, you will see the lines. Now, what is a polygon? In geometry, a polygon can be defined as a flat or plane, two-dimensional closed shape with straight sides. It does not have curved sides. So as for the definition, you can see unlike curves, the polygons are made up of line segments. Polygons can be of two types: regular polygons. Polygons that have equal sides and angles are called regular polygons. So these are the examples of regular polygon. And the next type of polygon is irregular polygon. Irregular polygons with unequal sides and whose angles are irregular polygons. So here are few examples of irregular polygons. They don't have equal sides. So what is an angle? In geometry, an angle can be defined as the figure formed by two rays meeting at a common endpoint. An angle is represented by the symbol this Here are the angles below is AOB, angle AOB. So parts of angle. The two rays joining to form an angle are called arms of angle. Here OA and OB are the arms of the angle AOB. What is a vertex? The common endpoint at which the two rays meet to form an angle is called the vertex. Here the point O is the vertex of AOB. So in this angle is called AOB angle, and OA and OB are the arm and or the two rays, and where the two endpoints are joining, that is called vertex, which is O. So types of angles. Angles can be classified on the basis of their measurement as acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and complete angle. In the example, I will explain you how to recognize what is the type of angle. The angle which is less than 90 degree or more than 0 degree, that is called acute angle. You can see in the figure 62 degree, which is less than 90 degree and more than 0 degree. So such angle is called acute angle, which is less than 90 degree and more than 0 degree. Now what is a right angle? Right angle is equals to 90 degree. The angle which is equals to 90 degree, that is called right angle. Then what is a obtuse angle? The angle which is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, that type of angle is called obtuse angle. You can see this angle measures 135 degree, which is less than 180 degree and more than 90 degree. So this type of angle is called obtuse angle. Now what is a straight angle? A straight angle is nothing but a straight line. The angle which is 180 degree or equal to 180 degree, that is called a straight angle. What is a reflex angle? A angle which is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree, that is called reflex angle. And the last one is complete angle. The angle measures 360 degree is called complete angle. So these are the 6 types of angle which we have discussed. You see, there are 2 types of angle. One is exterior angle and one is interior angle. So definition of interior and exterior angles. Interior angles. Interior angles are the angles formed within or inside a shape. Here ABC, BCA and CAB are interior angles. What is the exterior angle? Exterior angles are the angles formed outside between any side of a shape and a line extended from the adjoining side. Here ACD is an exterior angle. So these are the examples of interior and exterior angles. So you can see how interior angle and exterior angle are distinguished. Inside of a triangle, whichever angle is formed, that is interior, and outside of the triangle, which is exterior angle. So these are the example of angle around us. The green color which is here is the angles formed here. So we have covered exercise 4.2 and 4.3. Please try to solve the problems, and tomorrow I'll be sending you the answer keys of the problems. Thank you.